Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 66 GTO Convertible. $389 under the hood, originally a 4-barrel car. It's got 3 deuces on it now. It's a 4-speed car, bucket seats, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on a lift where you're gonna see the floorboards are beautiful. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna fire it up. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your GTO investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check out this beautiful car, man. Top goes down, it's a GTO, it's a 4-speed. The chrome is amazing. The chrome on that front bumper looks good. The headlight surrounds look awesome. The grill's in beautiful shape. The emblem here on the hood's looking good. Just a sharp car right here. And did I mention the top goes down? Yeah, and you can shift gears in her too. All the stainless looks good. The chrome on the vent window looks good. This blue interior is popping, looking great. You can see the carpeting looks like it's brand new. Floor mats, door panels look great. Wood grain on the dash looks good. Steering wheel's in great shape. Chrome on the center console's looking awesome. All the upholstery in the car is looking beautiful. Now, if you want to check out some pictures of it with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There'll be about 100 pictures of the car, and we'll have several pictures of the top up on the car. And the top is white and in good condition. Got great looking wheels and tires on it. The chrome on the back bumper's looking good. The tail light covers are looking great. Pontiac emblem looks good. Stainless looks good back here. Let's see, they've actually marked the keys for me, so we'll see how well they did. Look at that, first try. Inside the trunk, look at that, it looks brand new in here. Always look at your trunk floor, it's looking good. Always check out the back sides of the quarters, they look good. I got part number stamped here. I got beautiful paint here. They even took the time to put the jack instructions here. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. The gutters here around the opening look good. The rubber looks great. Look down the side of the car. Look how straight it is. Take a look at the fitment on the door. It is looking great. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this GTO. Right now we have a little over 230 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. So you can bet we spend the time and check the cars out before we buy them. Then when they get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the cars. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you everything you need to know about this car. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so I'm going to help you pick out your dream car. Let's take this GTO for a ride. I tell you what, she's making power, that's for sure. 4-speed, top goes down, GTO 66 model. This thing is sweet, guys, and we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now, if you want some help with financing, we can help you with financing also. We got about 3 different bankers we're working with right now. We make it really easy for you. Now, Tom helps you out with all the paperwork. All you have to do is make the phone call, set the wheels in motion, and we will park this dream in your driveway. Now, it takes about 20 minutes on the phone with the banker. He will hook you all up if you need that help. We're gonna get it up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, see what's going on under there. We are gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your GTO convertible investment. I'll tell you what, we've got the original 4-barrel for the car that came on it from the factory. Of course, it's been upgraded to this 3-deuce setup, which is very cool. That's what all the GTO guys had to have. Get around the corner here, listen to that awesome exhaust, going through the gears, feeling good. Now we're gonna put it in the air so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. You can see down here on the dash, all the gauges look like they're brand new. The tach's working, the speedo's working, wood grain looks good, blower motor's blowing. It's got what looks like the factory radio in it. All the chrome looks good in here. Now this does have an electric convertible top, so all you gotta do is hit the switch and the top goes down and you get some sun. Then we're gonna listen to this exhaust again. Man, this thing sounds good. This guy's gonna get run over. He don't get out of my way. Now we're gonna get back here to the shop. Now we invite you to come out or send an inspector. If you wanna fly out, we're real close to the airport. If you wanna drive out, we're here on Saturdays. If you wanna make it a road trip, come visit. We'd love to have you. Now about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, but boy, we do encourage you to come on in and take a look for yourself. We'd love to show you the car in person. We don't get to meet a lot of our customers, so come on in, we'd love to have you. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. And don't forget, we've got a lot of square footage here and a lot of muscle cars. So if you are gonna come in, please call us, let us know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite car ready for you. Now stick with us, we're gonna get it in the air for you now. All right, we're underneath the 66 GTO and you can see it is pretty under here too. See, the rear bumper looks good, the frame is in great shape, the drop downs look good, the trunk floor looks good, the exhaust looks brand new. The 10-bolt rear end, right around the 355 gear in here, and it is an open rear end, it is not posi. The brake lines look like they're new. The bushings look like they've been replaced at one time. We do have drum brakes out here, and the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like some stainless steel mufflers here. You always want to check the low spots in the frame on these cars. This frame looks fantastic on this car. Back side of the rockers also, they feel nice and smooth. A lot of times you can just reach underneath there and feel these. We still got the little rubber flapper here on the moisture hole here, looking good. Pinch weld looks good. We've got the floorboards looking great. Paint work under here looks good. Fuel line front to back, brake line front to back looks good. Muncie transmission, that's a 4-speed. Stock bell housing, stock clutch linkage. Looks like stock exhaust manifolds. We do have drum brakes up front, and the bushings on the lower control arm definitely, these are not original to the car. We've got new bushings here on the sway bar. Flex lines look good. Everything under here is nice and clean. You can see the bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. Fuel pump looks like it's been replaced. Core support looks good. Front frame horns look original. Now this front bumper, this looks original to me. This doesn't look like a re-chrome or re-pop. This looks like an original front bumper that's just in that nice a shape. I tell you, that's pretty rare right there. Tires and wheels, those wheels have got a beautiful paint work on them. Trim rings look good. BFGs are 225/70 14s. Rocker moldings look good. The pinch weld looks good, and the frame looks beautiful all the way down. That pinch weld's gorgeous. Out back here, we have 225/70 14s back here too. Wheel lip moldings look good, and again, we've even got the rocker moldings here on the back. Let's check up under the hood. All right, 389 under the hood, WT block. Now this car was born with a 4-barrel on it, and it is in the trunk in a box. It's been upgraded to this 3-deuce setup, looking great. Chrome valve covers. It's got manual brakes, power steering. Looks like a brand new battery here. Radiator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. It's got GM hoses on it. All the wiring looks good. The distributor is stock appearing. I mean, the car is nice and clean underneath here. We got the inner wheelhouse is looking clean. The firewall's looking clean. Everything about this car is amazing, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.